Hello, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to also show you what I bought and sold on eBay for eBay. And as usual, if you have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click the like button so that you know when I upload new videos. So I'm just going to show you what I sold and I'm going to pack it, and then I'll show you what I bought. This set of things that I bought, I actually went to a car boot to buy them. So I went to a car boot to buy them, and okay, so if you'd like to see how I pack this item and what I have bought, if you'd like to see the rest of this video, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to click the like button, share it to friends and families. I would just want to encourage people that look, nothing is impossible and you can start small. And so I have this bag. If you have been watching my video, you see that I have shown this bag, and it's really been helpful. That's what I use now to pack some things that I sell. And I've just sold this Ravensburger puzzle 3D. I bought it, and it's actually new, but it's pre-loved, so that is, someone has bought it before but they've not really used it, so I sold it. I noticed that it's selling for a very good price, but for me, I bought it, and as long as I can get something from it, I just want my money back. I knew that I have to deal with turnover at this time, so I'm not going to do any ceremony or anything. I'm just going to put it in the bag like so. And okay, before I seal it, don't forget that I have this thank you card that I always put in, like always. So I'm gonna cut this because I have another name on it that I don't want it to and I don't want it to show. Then I have to cover the business name at the back, which is for something else. Then I'm just going to cover with this pen here so that I won't be given a wrong impression of that. And then I'm just going to put it in the package like so. So it's just going to be one of my very easy way of sending stuff. Please. I'm just going to stick it on it like so. I'm going to use this to just reinforce it, sort of, just for it to be reinforced and that it gets to the owner in good condition. That's the most important thing, one of the things that I've learned in this journey. So that is that. I don't like how it is, so I'm just going to put another one just to make it. I'm sure if I had taken a smaller package, maybe I won't need to be doing this. So every penny counts. So anyway, I've done this. So I'm going to put the label now. I've already printed the label. So like I said, I'm still cutting. So I know that I'll get to a stage where I will need to buy the stick-on, of course, and then, but for now I don't have any issue to do this. So okay, so that's it. So I can't show the front, but that's how it is. So it's going to get the, and that's it. Now like always, I'll show you what I got from this particular car booth that I went to. So I got this Harry Potter puzzle, and it says Wizarding World 3D puzzle as well. By the way, the other one I showed to you now is a 3D puzzle as well. And I heard that this one is trending now. I checked it out and it's selling for a good price, so I bought that. Then there's another one that I bought. This one I have it before. I bought this but I sold it. So when I saw it, I was really happy because it's something that I've sold before. It's Van Gogh, am I correct? Van Gogh painting, and it's still very new. It's sealed. It's not been opened in any way. It's still sealed, even though you can see that it's here, but apart from that, sealed, never been opened, never been used. I got this. I think I got it, I can't remember how much, for £1 or so, I can't remember, but I got that. I also got this Mother Misery Party. I knew that it was trending, maybe was it in the 80s or so, I can't remember. Okay, this is 1999, yes. So okay, so the Silver Screen City in the 50s is the venue for a glittering party hosted by movie mogul Samuel Osnofit. So anyway, I bought that. I know that it was trending at some point, and it's for 10 players, so I got it as well. So I think I got this from the same car booth. I didn't really get much when I went to that car booth that day. I don't know what happened. I just didn't, I wasn't able to get things that I really liked. So these are just the things that I bought. I think I got some other thing, but the next thing, everyone was a crowd, and I don't want to stay there because of the crowd, so I just picked one thing and I left. So this one is Clamalite. I initially I thought, okay, so it's Adidas, yes. Initially I took one Nike, but because I couldn't look at it because of so many people standing there, so I decided to buy only this one and I left. But this is really nice. I'm not sure, I'm not selling, I'm just giving it to see. It can be used for sports or just, just the knicker for the boys. So I got this for my son because this it looks new. I think it's new. It's new because that woman is, and it's not cheap. I don't know, anyway, but it's nice. So I just got this. What else did I buy from there? I think I've covered everything that I bought from the second one. So mainly I just bought the speakers, the CD changer, these toys. I'm thinking, is that all that I bought there? Can't remember if I bought something else there. Anyway, even if I did not show everything, maybe it's somewhere, I would then I'll show whatever it is in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Once again, don't forget to click the like button. I would love to take you along with me one of these days, but usually sometimes these days is when I am coming from work that I just go straight to the car boat. I'm hoping that I'll be able to take you along with me one of these days. And if I'm not able now, maybe when I'm going to the charity shop or wherever I go source, I'll take you along with me so that you see what I am doing. I'm still learning, like I said, it's a learning curve, and that's why I said you decide to do what? Decide to write your own story. Don't allow someone else to, and you can create your story. So whatever you want to do or whatever, don't wait till everything is fine, or don't wait till everything is okay before you do something. In fact, when it is most inconvenient for you is when you should start. Immediately you start thinking about it, start doing your research, and start buying and start doing, you know. So thanks for watching once again, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Okay, so this is the best one. I love it. Look at it. Isn't it cute? Cute, cute. This is cute. It's cute. It's cute. It's cute. So bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Show them your eyes. Bye.